Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Vipul and this is the newly launched VLF Tennis Electric Scooter, and it is one of the lightest scooter in the segment. It weighs only 88 kgs. Let's take a look at its design. At the front you get all LED lighting. You have these twin pod light bulbs right here, LED bulbs, and they look really nice. Right here you have turn indicators, you have the branding here, the tennis branding, 12-inch wheels with disc brakes, and you have TK suspension right here. And you also get this here, you can rest your foot, or this is just to guard the scooter when it falls. Also, coming to the side, you have this floorboard right here. uh, Here you can rest your foot. It's not very flat. You have this space right here. It's probably to get access to the auxiliary battery. Here you have this hook so you can hang in your luggage. This is what the key controller looks like. It is illuminated, which is nice. Also you get remote key functions, like you can lock the scooter remotely, which is again a nice feature to have. Besides, let's take a look at this TFT cluster right here. It's color screen. It's not touch screen, but you get a whole lot of details right here. You have a clock. It has Bluetooth connectivity. You have the battery SOC, the trip meter, odometer, and you have 3 riding modes: the Eco, City, and Sport. Here you have the telltale lights. This is what the mirrors are like. Here you have the ignition to start the motor, and this is just blank. On this side you have the headlamp controls, and you also have the pass feature right here. Turn indicators, this is what they look like. Let us know what you think. And this is what the horn sounds like. Overall, the build quality is really good, and it is a solidly built scooter. This is what the seat looks like. Cushioning is nice. Seat quality also feels really nice. It's nice and soft. And under the seat you get this storage. It's a small space. I'm sorry you can't see it in the dark. Let me light up a light, and maybe you'll be able to see then. So yeah, that's what the boot space is like. So you have quite some storage. You can fit in a half size helmet, not a full size. And this right here is a 2.5 kilowatt hour battery pack. It is removable, so you can just unhook this and you can pull the battery out. So take it home and charge it if you do not have a wall charger. Here you have a grab handle. This is what the tail section looks like. Those are the tail lamps, and the indicators are integrated right here. At the rear also you get a 12-inch wheel with disc brakes, and right here you have something very interesting. So at the rear it does not get a suspension. Right here if you see, there are no forks or springs attached to the wheel. It gets a cantilever suspension which runs through the chassis, which is housed right here. And as you can see, it's a double aluminum chassis swing arm. Right here you have the swing arm right here and here as well. You also get a main stand, and these are the footrests which come out like this, and you have some branding right here. Now the claimed range is 130 kilometers. It produces a peak power of 2.1 kilowatt, which is close to 3 PS of power, and the top speed is 65 kilometers, and the range again is 130. So it's a city scooter. It's not meant to do high speeds, but the range is decent. It's available in 3 colors. This is the white one. You have a red, and you also have a grey color scooter right here. Price is 1,29,990 ex showroom. Deliveries will begin from November 25th, and the first launch will happen in Bangalore. The first showroom that VLF will open up will be in Bangalore. So that was the VLF Tennis Scooter. A quick walk around. Let me know what do you think of it. Do you like it? Do you like its price? Do you like how it looks? In terms of quality, it is quite nice. I mean, it does not feel cheap at all from any angle. Um, Fit and finish, really good. Button quality, layout, everything is very nice. We hope to ride it soon and tell you what it rides like and give you a detailed review. Subscribe to Motorides if you haven't already. Press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever that video is up. My name is Vipul. I will see you in the next one. Until then, rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.